Good morning everyone, this is Sudeep Rai. My UNID is 18406505 and this is the task or assignment that has been provided by the Northampton University, and it is continuous work from the previous assignment. And this is the way here we have to do what we have to do is to add the new site at office, and this is the new site at office, and rest of the things are from the previous one. The new site office is established in the new city, and in new city the new office building is established. And here you can see this is the edge router, and these two are the distribution layer, whereas down below are the access layer switches. And here spanning tree is used to prevent the loop and to keep updating the MAC address. Let's check that. Here you can see spanning tree is used for VLAN 50 and 55. Root primary is used where priority is low, and for VLAN 60 and 65 root secondary is used where priority is high, and same goes for other switches as well. Oops. Here you can see it here, and in between these two switches ether channel is used. It is used to increase the speed of the network and continuous flow of data traffic. If one cable is down, it will use other remaining cable to prevent the interruption on the fail of one cable. Here you can see channel group 1 is made active, and where other channel is made passive. Here it is. And for internal routing, AIGRP is used for internal routing. AIGRP use, and AIGRP is used in router 6 and router 9. Let's check that as well. And here username and password is asked. This is because a radio server, it protects the routers, and any user has to first of all put the username and password to get access to that router. And here username is SUDEEP, password is also SUDEEP. Now you can get access through it. Here you can see router EIGRP1 is used. Let's check in other router as well. You can see router EIGRP is used here as well. And for exterior routing, BGPRP is used. It manages the trusted and untrusted network, and it is often classified as the path vector protocol, but sometimes also classified as a distant vector routing protocol, and BCP is used in ISP and router 0. Let's check that as well. Here you can see here you can see BGP is added. Here you can see where BGP is added. In this way you can also see for EIGRP, which I haven't seen before. So IP You can see D is EIGRP, and you can see here, and here it also, let's take it here also for EIGRP. You can see it has been configured in this router as well. And here there is radio server. What it do is it provide the username and password to the router, and here you can see username is Sudeep and password is Sudeep, and the username and password has been added to core head. And for PPP, there are two ways to do it. One is PAP and another is ZAP. Okay, let's here you can see ZAP is used. ZAP means challenge handshake protocol, where username and password goes in the form of hash. Here you can see encapsulation PPP, and the line protocol is up. Let's check using this as well. Here PAP is used. PAP means password authentication protocol, where username and password goes in the form of text. Here you can see Erasal encapsulation PP, and the line protocol is up. And for frame relay is also has been used here. Let's check that as well. Here you can see encapsulation frame relay, and the line protocol is off. In this way, frame relay also has been used. And for internal access, now this department can access to other department as well. And here you can see. Okay, let's try to connect to this office, and its IP address 172.16.21.3. So let's try to connect to other department of the office. Here you can see it has been connected. This means this from this department it can access to another department also. And let's try to access to Facebook from the finance department. It needed to be blocked. Here you can see destination host is unreachable, because finance department should not get access to Facebook and YouTube. Thank you. And this is it.